Today's topic for discussion is types of aspergillosis. Aspergillosis, it is a fungal disease which is caused by a fungus to human beings. And there are several types of aspergillosis occur in human race. Human beings are affected by a fungal pathogen, that is Aspergillus species. There are three main species of Aspergillus which causes human diseases, different types of human diseases. Number 1, Aspergillus niger. Number 2, Aspergillus flavus. And number 3, Aspergillus fumigatus. These three species of fungi, they are very common in environment. They are present everywhere. Okay, let us see the types of aspergillosis type of disease. Number 1, that is pulmonary aspergillosis. In this case, the spores of the aspergillus inhaled by the pupil or by the person, and those spores reach to the lungs. And it causes inflammation in the lungs. And allergy symptoms like coughing and wheezing is common. Such type of symptoms are caused by the fungus, which is known as aspergillus. Okay, and the photograph it has shown in the slide, that is the example of pulmonary aspergillosis. Okay, next. Another type of aspergillosis, that is sinusitis. In this case, what happens, the aspergillus fungus that enters that is inhaled by the person, and inflammation of the nasal cavity takes place, and growth of the fungus occurs in the nasal cavity, and as shown in the photograph, this is a disease of sinusitis disease. And in this case, headache and stuffiness are common symptoms, and human beings, the patient becomes irritative, and it becomes very difficult to respiration, to take a clean air inside body. Okay, see the photograph. One child is affected, and here to right side photograph. That means the two photographs are of different age. That means all the age groups of the human being are susceptible for the infection of aspergillus, and it can cause the disease that is called aspergillosis. And sinusitis is one of the type of aspergillosis disease. Okay. Next, the one more disease, that is aspergilloma. This disease is also very common among human beings. In this disease, the spores of the aspergillus inhaled by the person through respiratory system, and the spores germinate to form a fungal balls on the wall of the lungs inside body. Okay, but usually does not spread to other parts of the body. The fungus grows on the wall of the lungs it is mucous wall. On that the fungal colonies are developed as shown in the photograph, and the spores are generally they are restricted up to the lungs only. They are not transferred to other organs in the body, and that type of infection, that is known as aspergilloma type of disease. This is a aspergilloma type of disease. Okay, and the disease aspergillus also produces such colonies, and fungal balls are developed on the wall of the lungs internally. Okay, this is the disease of aspergilloma, which is caused by Aspergillus fumigatus. Okay, next. Another type of aspergillosis disease of human being, it is chronic pulmonary aspergillosis. It is a very dangerous disease. See the photograph. Entire lungs that get affected by the aspergillus pathogen, they get infected by aspergillus, and in some patients the fungus of aspergillus enters into the host lung, and numerous fungal balls are developed, and it causes breathing problem. Shortening of breathing takes place. It becomes very difficult to respiration. Respiration process is restricted because of the pathogenic organism, and such a shortening of breathing and difficulty in breathing, irritation, these are the symptoms of the chronic pulmonary aspergillosis. In severe cases of disease development, the spores, which are the colonies or the spores of the fungus which are present in the lungs, they are transferred from other body parts inside the body. Other parts get affected, and the spores are transferred through blood stream. Okay. Next, another type of aspergillosis type of disease which occur in human beings, that is invasive aspergillosis. This is also dangerous disease of human beings which is caused by a fungal pathogen that is known as Aspergillus species. The Aspergillus initially causes a serious infection to lungs, and from lungs it reaches to the other part of the body. Most of the part of the body get infected, and gradually disease spread in the body. All the parts of the body get affected with this, and as a result it becomes very hard to survival of the patient. This is a very serious disease which is caused by fungus which is known as invasive aspergillosis. It is one of the type of aspergillosis disease, and it is caused by a fungal pathogen which is very common. Okay. Next, thank you very much. Be clean, be safe.